Howdy folks, today we are looking at how to assemble our fold down balcony tables. These are mega handy, super affordable, we've two sizes available and the assembly process is the same for both. So let's get started. First, you're going to take all the parts out of the box and ensure you have everything to hand. We'll start with these L-shaped connector parts here at the back, and there are two of them. Right, so pop your table over the edge of your balcony and hold it there. If you have a second person handy, get them to keep it in place. These screws should peek over the back of your railing and you can then attach the L-shaped connectors. This will take a minute, so we'll speed things up in the video here, but remember, don't over tighten these. You'll make it more difficult to get the other one in place later on. Now, when you get to the point where it's starting to tighten against the balcony, you may need to lift it up to ensure that it's sitting correctly. Do the same for the other sides, get it nice and flush against the balcony. Now we're halfway there. This part may look different on yours depending on how your balcony sits, but the unit is adjustable so there's no need to sweat. The process will be the same, but it may look slightly different to suit your needs. So we're going to pop this screw through here and into the L-shaped connector from earlier on. Screw this in with your hand to start with. Once they're in place, take the Allen key and tighten it up. We'll do the same for the other side. We're nearly done. Just drop down the table and tighten up the corners of the table with the Allen key as seen here. And that's all sheet folks. Your new balcony table is now ready to be used. Remember, this is the smaller version, but the process is identical for the larger one. If you don't have one already, you can get yours on shedsdirectireland.com. They're reduced to clear, so you won't find them at a better price anywhere else. Pop into us in Finglas to pick one up yourself or order online. shedsdirectireland.com. We're bleeding shedly.